Well, we went looking for firewood. Instead, we ended up coming here to see our mountain goat friends, which are not here. That's okay, because we found a little hike. We will get firewood, but as you can see, we're in this cool place. And over there is a waterfall. But it doesn't do it justice until we get over there. So rather than zoom in, we're gonna hike our butts over there, and we'll show you along the way.
We might be going through some knee-high snow.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's gonna be at least knee-high, maybe waist-high snow, but better than cutting firewood, right? All right, so far we've come through waist-high snow to knee-high snow, and the machine's only over there. So Kevin's going for the mighty stream cross here. Hot, it's hard work. I'm going to follow him down. All made possible by these awesome boots we have. We'll describe them later. Maybe give them a shout out, because quite frankly, these boots are about the best thing.
Dry shods.
Let's just do it right now.
Well,
there they are. The Dry Shod Arctic Storm. We've had them about 2 winters now. Kevin's gonna pose. Yeah, so anyway, they're good to 65 below. Look at that, what would be the comfort zone. Quit moving, Kevin. Minus 50 to 65 plus. And waterproof. We use them when we snow machine ride. And now we're hiking across waist deep snow. My feet are totally warm. Anyway, pitch the boots. We're headed to that waterfall over there, as close as we can get, and we will get back with you guys here after we do. This is kind of kicking our butt a bit. Snowshoes would be good.
Thanks for packing this down.
You know, clear path for you, brother.
I'm 6'7", remember, 6'8" with these boots. That's up to my knees. That's 2 feet.
Well, we got a little bit of somewhat of a stream here, and then we'll go over there. Might be too deep to cross, but man, we're getting there. All right, carry on.
We got over here, upriver here. Scenery shot here.
We're standing on an iceberg.
Yeah.
Really cool ice patterns in the water, the river.
Yep, that's when the water was deeper. Then it caved in.
Over here. So you want me to carve a path down there by those willows so we can get over to the waterfall?
We're gonna zoom in here, give them a shot of what we're destined to try to do here. Jerry's gonna go over here by his willows and try to cross. And we'll be back. Try not to fall in the hole here. Dry shads.
Turn them down to the ground. Just grab these little pine tree top. Put myself up in here. Oh. Is there a path for you, big boy? Yeah, on the way to the waterfall. It is deep. Oh yeah, this is cool.
Against better judgment. We're still hiking.
Save me. Here we are. I mean, there's where we want to be. But it's way steep snow, and I worked. So I think I'll just lay here for a little while.
Cool off.
Yeah, you know, chill down a bit. It actually feels really good.
Bigger from here.
My knees know we're a lot closer to it than we were.
My right knee is telling me everything. But it's green on the left, translucent looking blue in the middle, and something else over there.
Alright, let's see if I can get up. Kind of frozen right now to the ground. Well, there's my body print to let the snow gods I was here to see their awesomeness of ice. I guess we hike back now. Okay. Kevin?
Yes, sir.
March on, brother.
Up there you can see so much cool stuff up there.
That's just above our cabin over there.
We don't even see that part from our cabin. That is awesome.
Here you go.
You want to?
Pass off the camera.
No guarantee it'll stay on.
Blaze the trail, brother. Bighorns up there, but I don't see him.
An absolutely stellar Colorado bluebird sky. We have the Alamosa River, ice waterfalls up there, Cornwall's nose here, still have a mountain in the background. It is just absolutely stellar.
Water's really clear. Muddy down there, but clear. Oh no! Quicksand. Yep, the shot's even working the quicksand. Look at him sink. Nice. Man, this is pretty. Pretty country. You are sinking.
Getting up to my knee here. Give me a hand.
Well, we made it back. Our machines are right up here. Didn't actually get to touch the frozen waterfall, but before we both had a heart attack, I figured it was best we came back.
And next time we'll punch through to it. It'll be a little bit easier now next time we hike through here.
Yeah, bubba.
So they say.
We have one more hike of waist-deep snow to our sleds.
Or we can backtrack to our other trail.
Oh, I suppose we could backtrack, but yeah, it'd be smarter, huh? Unless you just want to blaze.
Well, that's another reason to walk through the river again.
Back through the river. Why not? Oh, almost man down. Holy crap.
What happened when we 40 inches of snow?
Ow, and those thorn bushes don't help. We did it, we did it, we did it. Woo! That's what happened when we change our mind. Now we gotta go do wood. Just a little bit. Say something. Come on. Give it up for the camera.
The beep things I let people talk me into. Beautiful. Well worth it. Knowing what we know now, if I cross here and walk up the river.
Works for me. All right, well, let's wrap it up and haul those logs home and go home, yeah?